This is Dave Wisniewski with SaferArizona.com. I'm sitting here at Hempful Farms Cafe before the grand opening. We're about like 3 weeks out. There's Andy, she's painting the wall over there. But what I was really tripping about was this awesome vending machine. And we made a little video about it, but it's taking too long to load on YouTube, so I'm making this other one right now. It's called Zazzz. And it's a touchscreen vending machine. Whoa, that's sold out. No, how do I go back? 40 bucks. Green sticks. Insert 40. Well, I don't have 40 bucks, but look at this thing. This thing's awesome. Hempful Farms Cafe, February 4th. Check it out.